We just arrived at Disney's Animal Kingdom, and check out those floating mountains. They are looking pretty ding dang awesome. Can't wait.
Look at the beautiful Animal Kingdom tree. Oh, I love it. By the way, we're at Animal Kingdom. Yes, gonna check out some of the Christmassy stuff and ride some rides. We just had our picture taken by one of the Disney guys, and he was like going all over the place. I wasn't sure what he was gonna take a picture of. Look at how awesome that looks. Are they singing Not a Zoo here? There's a little bit more detail on it. Looks way cool. It's definitely gonna be really big. Really, really big. Look at that thing. How cool is that? All those things are gonna be up there floating around. We're gonna go down by Rainforest Cafe to try to get a closer look at the Avatar World stuff. Wow, look at that. That is way cool looking. Oh, a little bit too bright. It looks amazing. I like the porta potty that's like up in the air. Pretty awesome.
So are they gonna cover all that metal in the rock stuff?
It's gonna be vines.
Wow. That's just nuts.
Looks awesome.
I can't wait. And that's 2017, right?
Oh, that's 2017? Wow. Yeah, look at that. The Tree of Life, looking beautiful as ever. Looks like there's less trees around it though. Maybe that's just because it's winter, sort of. Rivers Depot. This is new. We haven't seen this before.
Riverside Depot.
Oh, Riverside Depot. I said river. I didn't see the side part.
Do you want to...
Yeah, let's go look inside there. Is it just... Oh, it's very open and wide. Oh, it's nice. It smells new in here. We can get some like tea towels. Is this all just like home goods? It's pretty neat. And like the dog toy section. Should we get Bandit like a nice, fun Mickey collar? Yeah, it's pretty much just a regular old Disney gift shop. Jen just freaked out because she saw these things, and now she said, hold on, let me hold them all, before I filmed her.
I gotta hold them all! It's like a Pokemon, but better.
Yeah, like fluffy ball Pokemons.
What is this? I need them. They're like Tsum-Tsums, but better.
Yeah. I hear some loud drums, and I see people doing the Macarena. Oh, did I miss it? Oh, look, people on stilts. Here's all the Rivers of Light stuff. Like you can kind of see the seating area over there. And this is a lot of like fun construction equipment here that they've got going on. That's where everybody's gonna be sitting for Rivers of Light. So we're heading over to Dinosaur to ride it because, I don't know if you guys know this, but it is the sister attraction to Indiana Jones at Disneyland. Same exact ride path, same exact ride, just different scenery. So we're gonna compare the two. I think it says 40 minutes. Oh look, they're like pushing everybody this way? Wow, I've never seen that before. How is this duck not scared right now? He is in the shadow of an iguanodon. Here's something that Disneyland does a lot better. They don't cause mass confusion by dumping like 50 rooms full of people into one tiny little line. It's like you're in a line, then you're in a room, then you're in another line, and then you're in another room.
Don't look into the eyes of the idol.
Time travel commencing in T-minus 10 seconds. I'm counting.
We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Now, let's go get that dino.
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Oleoramus.
Time to get serious. Locking autopilot on homing signal now.
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go!
Sauropod.
Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian.
Asteroid impact in 60
We
seconds.
can't stop now. Keep going, keep going. Four-wheel drive, move it. Computer, now what?
Carnotaurus.
That's it. Abort mission.
Iguanodon.
Forget it. Get them out now.
Asteroid impact.
They're not gonna make it. They're not gonna make it.
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find it before security does. Thanks for everything!
I'd say that's a pretty good picture. So, Indiana Jones was much better. It's a good ride, don't get me wrong, but Indiana Jones is a much better ride. There's a lot more to see. This one's like, hey, you're in the dark, and there's a lot of things like growling at you. That's sort of the way that this ride works. Here's some more of the Rivers of Light seating area right here. You can see they're building some sort of pylons or something. Maybe this will be a lighting tower, something. Look at how beautiful Everest is. Our fast pass isn't until like 4:30, so, but we are gonna ride it today because it's a fun roller coaster. So there's a new bar right next to Expedition Everest that is called the Thirsty River Bar. So we're gonna go check it out. Get a drink real quick. I'm gonna put our Christmas weather into perspective for you guys. There is a 90-minute wait for Cali River Rapids. King Louie and Baloo are back there, and Baloo has on a scarf. Oh, both of them have on scarves. How fun is that? They're so festive. We're headed down the exploration trail. We're gonna see some baby gorillas. No, here he comes. What's he doing? Just moving? Look at how long his tail is. That's what we were just looking at, and I was like zooming in on the one up at the top over there, and look, right here. He's just hanging out, like sprawled out. Uh-oh, something's going on. What is it? This is awkward. This is the okapi. Oh yeah, look, there it is. This is the similarities between the giraffe and the okapi. Look at their tongues. Apparently the okapi doesn't have a voice box, so it doesn't make any noise, other than with its lips. We're gonna go do some research in the research center. Oh, that looks very researchy. When I was a young warthog. That's a spider tortoise. That's an African bullfrog. It is gigantic. This is a spiny-tailed lizard, or a Eurymastix. Look at him, he's looking at me. He's like, hey, what's going on? Oh, there's two of them. There's another one over here too. Oh, we came out into an aviary. There's like birds everywhere. There was a little thing back here for like a bird watching guide too. Look guys, a bird. I didn't pick up the guide, so I don't know what kind of bird this is. No, don't run away. You're not in focus yet. You're not in focus yet. Don't run away. There you are. Yeah, look at you. Definitely a lot of birds out and about. This is pretty neat. Oh, there's a bird right there. Look at him. This makes me want to go back to Discovery Cove. And like a pool full of cichlids. Wow. Look at this ninja bird.
Look at this bird. Yeah.
Look at all these people. You know what they want? They want a hippopotamus for Christmas.
I want a hippopotamus.
Where is it? That's a rock. That's not a hippo. Oh. Look at this fish without an eye. There's a hippo. Look at that hippo tail. Man, that's what I wanted for Christmas. There's a meerkat with a zebra behind him. Oh, he's on lookout. What did you hear something? What is it? What did you hear? What did you hear? Did you hear Pumbaa? Oh, there you go. There you go.
What's he looking at?
He's looking for random predator noises.
I love that it was like stands.
Oh, he's looking at us. Oh no, there's two of them. Oh, what's on top of the building? Here's a plane. Look at this little one right here. Oh my God. Look at how adorable they are. What do you hear, little tiny meerkat? Oh look, they're touching each other's shoulders. They're hanging out. They're gonna form a Congo line.
No, look at this guy. He's posting for pictures.
Oh my goodness. Oh, look at him. What'd you find? What'd you find? Oh. Oh no. I don't know if you can see the baby. He's like way up there, like swinging around. But look, here is a big old male gorilla. He's like watching out for everybody. Here comes the little ones. I wonder if they're gonna come down. There's the little baby gorillas. Oh, they're playing. We're going to go check on them. Oh, this one's peeing now too. Everybody's peeing. It's pretty interesting to see them like looking after the babies. Like, hey, what are you guys doing? There's totally a bunny in the gorilla enclosure right now. Like right underneath this bush, there's a bunny. Is that a normal thing? Are there supposed to be bunnies in there? Is that gorilla food? This is me after Christmas dinner. Here's the baby gorillas. Look at that little baby. There's the big daddy. There it goes. Oh, there's the other one. Look at it. Oh no, what the heck? Baby gorilla's going behind a tree.
The baby was like dropping stuff down from the tree, and then the dad was like picking it up. Oh, they're all four there.
We're just settling down for Christmas dinner.
Got it?
He's just watching. He's like imagine he's thinking. Look at all these people watching.
Look at him sleeping. He's like, nobody's paying attention to me. Here's my butt. The best view at Animal Kingdom. Ooh, it looks good. We were thinking of going to the Tree of Life garden, but it's roped off, so we can't go. Boo. There's Tarzan out there. We're gonna go get our picture taken with Tarzan. How does Tarzan know how to sign his name? So I know we're not at Disney anymore, but we're outside of Schuleburger now, which Disney's like right there, pretty much.
I forgot to take off my ears because I thought we were still at Disney.
You can see the top of Animal Kingdom Lodge huts right there.
Is that what those are, right there? Oh, that's really funny. So yeah, this is just outside of Disney. We're going to Schuleburger, giving you guys some off-property type stuff. Look at that. It is beautiful. This is a double, I don't know, something like a barbecue burger. What'd you get?
Where's the
regular
barbecue?
Schuleburger?
Yeah, this is just a regular one.
And then some fried pickles. Ooh, yeah. And these are the street fries. They have like Korean barbecue on them. Looks pretty all right. I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys. It's a little bit dark. We've been waiting and like hanging out next door for a little bit, but Schuleburger, better than In-N-Out. Sorry. Sorry. There are a lot of burger places here in town that are better than In-N-Out. It wasn't bad. It's just, these are a lot better. Well, that was a fun, quick trip down to Disney's Animal Kingdom and then off to Schuleburger afterwards. I would highly recommend Schuleburger. Definitely a very tasty burger. But it did make me very tired because I ate so much food. So I'm off to bed and I will see you guys tomorrow. And now it's time to pay the price.